Welcome to the 24-hour layover, where we take you to amazing cities around the world and show you just how much you can see in 24 hours. Welcome to Hong Kong, one of the most vibrant and exciting cities in the world. If you're on a layover here, don't worry, we got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to make the most of your 24 hours in Hong Kong. First things first, let's talk transportation. Hong Kong has one of the most efficient public transportation systems in the world, so getting around is going to be a breeze. You can take the MRT, the tram, the bus, or even a ferry to get to your destination. Our first stop is Victoria Peak, which is one of the most iconic landmarks in Hong Kong. To get there, you'll need to take the MRT to Central Station and then take the Peak tram to the top. The Peak tram is a railway that takes you up to the top of the hill where you will enjoy the panoramic views of the city. The view from the top of the Peak is absolutely amazing, and it's a great place to take some Instagram-worthy photos. After Victoria Peak, you can head over to Soho and take a walk around this trendy neighborhood. Soho is home to many art galleries, antique shops, and the Man Ho Temple. This historic temple is a popular attraction in Soho and dates back to 1847. Next, you're going to want to explore the streets of Central, which is the financial district of Hong Kong. But before we head over to the financial district, I'd really appreciate it if you would please take a second to hit that subscribe button. Okay, thanks. Now let's head to Central. Here you'll find some of the most luxurious shops and restaurants in the city. If you're feeling hungry, head to Lan Kwai Fong, which is a popular dining and entertainment area in Central. Here you'll find everything from local street food to Michelin star restaurants. And if you're a foodie like me, then you cannot leave Hong Kong without trying some of the incredible local street food. From the egg waffles to fish balls, the street food in Hong Kong is a definite must-try. Our next stop is going to be the Big Buddha, which is another one of the most popular attractions in Hong Kong. To get there, you'll need to take the MRT to Tung Chung and then take the Nong Ping 360-degree cable car. The cable car ride has some stunning views of the mountains and the ocean. It's also a great way to experience the beauty of Hong Kong. The Big Buddha is a giant bronze statue that sits atop a hill on Lantau Island. It's pretty impressive to see, and you can also visit the nearby Po Lin Monastery. And a trip to Hong Kong wouldn't be complete without a night on the town. We recommend a visit to the Ozone at the Ritz-Carlton. The Ozone is a rooftop bar, and it is the highest in the world. It's located on the 118th floor of the International Commerce Center. It has stunning views of the city skyline, and it's a real popular spot for cocktails and some nightlife. Okay, that's it for our 24-hour layover in Hong Kong. I hope you enjoyed the video and it gave you some ideas of how to make the most of your time in Hong Kong. Thanks for watching, and please remember to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.